Holy Mother of God, look at this storm front coming in over our great city. My God, look at it. Wow. We are looking at a big storm front just popped in out of nowhere. Got a severe weather warning, so I thought I'd get out, give it a film, hopefully catch something on camera cool to show you what kind of crazy weather we have out here in the prairie provinces, in the foothills I should also say. It's turning blue-gray up there. Unbelievable.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting lower and touching down over there.
It is?
Looks
I gotta get my shoes. I only got socks on right now.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Is it thistles out there?
Up on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you might want to go up over there, because that is almost unnormal. There's a few paths that I take where there's thistle in the way, but they're about 3 feet high.
Oh man, she is dumping over there too. Now the wind's picking up.
Oh, look, it's blue.
I know, it's tornado blue. It's crazy. I hope it doesn't wreck my freaking sunflowers.
I think that should be the...
Whoa, the winds are whipping in now. What is going on, man? This is unreal. Full on end time storm here. Right out of the movies. Just like blue. Camera doesn't even do it justice. I'm gonna get in before I get zapped.